Optimizing distributed multi-agent network. All systems nominal.
So welcome everyone to the VGA blog. And I guess we're going to continue to the blog. And it's going to be, you can come on SMTVS.com and just YouTube, see me on Facebook. Even though we have my site, I'm still my YouTube and Facebook groupie type thing. And it's a place where I'm going to run my ad them too as well. You know what I mean? I deal with. I do my thing a certain way. And there is also linking. Excuse me. And there is also X Twitter that we also going to share the ad thing because we make everybody know that we are here with them, and Prince like a place where you put your image or pictures or stuff. So yes, in particular though, I'm not talking about like TikTok, but we all doing the stuff. You guys know I'm building up everything, and I one day put the same thing I put at YouTube and Facebook and TikTok, and TikTok block it. I'm like, okay, you guys don't know who you're dealing with yet, so you block us, and just that alone don't make we look them weird. So we're gonna run the other TikTok. I don't care much thousands of people. Google and Facebook are good enough. See, after the years, me I use Google service still for free, and me I use Facebook service for free. Due to as we try to build and try to center ourselves in the media industry, in the internet. Like I explained to somebody, I said, I know about internet business. Internet business, you have to do it and don't charge nobody no money because you can't charge people no money until people come and see that your service is worth paying for. The most that we got out of the thing is that we are around from 2004 for 20 odd years. The search engine will remember us. You know what I mean? Our site is knowing. If I create a site in my survey that said Van, well, you are knowing how that is, that folder that comes up first. But it means that over the years I still tried a lot of things to increase the site. Somebody even said to me, you're not gonna make no money out of that because so much people doing this or that, as like almost like they say you are following someone. But we are not following anyone. It's just that the course of certain business that you do and the thing that you engage you leads you down to one place. When you have people who just engage in like even the AI thing, you got this one man him just dealing with video alone for make movie and stuff. That one is dealing with music. That one is dealing with photo. That one is dealing with ads. That one is dealing with this and that. I'm a multitask individual who all those different trade I know about. It's funny. Okay, so we could talk about a lot, and when you come, you can come over and explore. Now, like I said, SMTVS.com is not the type of site that it's a secure web network. So, but it's really free to just sign up and come in, right, and be on the list. Because the service that we give out is something that we want you to explore. We want you to go around and see if what you see there is good for you, right? Okay, so we can talk about some things, but we're going to talk about first thing on the list is first that we need to have this front page be more attractive to my users when them come. So that's going to be the main issue. And to return the search engine the way it was, like our original white background search engine, not using a round edge but a square edge. Also, it's a voice search. When get into the main part of the site, we do not want a search that is geared to searching for apps. To search for apps is when you're in any area that develop or build apps, you should be able to see that link to search for the apps. So the agent is mixing up stuff. So let's talk about how the menu should really be set up. Okay, so we are in at a television studio, right? We are SMTVS, but we are Star Media Television Studio. And being Star Media Television Studio, our main brand is our Prime TV, a system built like a smart TV. Okay? All right. So not a TV where anyone can join and say you're going to start your channel on SMTVS.com. It's for a professional individual, and most likely it's a partner affair when it comes to that. And we'll go up here now. So then if you're interested in being a partner with SMTVS to have a channel on the Prime TV channel, then you have to be in this area. You understand? Well, the AI sort of did this thinking about some other things, but this will be like 50. It's not going to be no free thing into the partnership. It's when you pay into the partnership. We'll have a low rate partnership for about $50 or $49. And you get the gold and you get the platinum. You understand? And we're going to be doing revenue share too. 15% revenue share between us and our partner. So the partner just pay to be the partner, get into the partnership, but whatever they're doing there, we are just sharing in a little bit of their revenue. They get 100% and we get 15% if they sold something through the site. You know, there's some things like that. 5%, you know what I mean? And this is going to have a number on it. So that's what we have as when people say, if you're paying in the website or whatnot. You know what I mean? Okay. So we talk about, so we should just go right to all the stuff that we now hold nothing secret from our users, our potential members to be. And if you come into the music area, you can definitely join up and have your stuff there for free. But you have the opportunity to go further and join. And we're still working on a lot of that. But we have a lot of AI there to aid and help artists and musicians. I'm a musician too, to help my career, right? And so I will put more and a lot into that. And everybody knows that, you know, because musicians take care of musicians. Okay, so we just basically trying to set up here. And what the artist feed will evolve into in smtvs.com, I know what I want, so I have to go back and carefully work with the AI as far as how the display look. We had given them a Zoom player and a template that we created, but the AI mixed that up and kept the style sheet and the JS file from the example, which should not have. Should have only really kept the style sheet and the JS only for the player. So it's sort of, there's an error there. So I've got to remedy that. Now this over here, whether you are an artist signed up to the system or not, but you are SMTVS member and you decided you want some studio time, you understand? Then this is available, the 4-hour block. AI mixing assistance, right? Master export and them things there. Session engineer, right? Because the AI is an engineer, so you do have a session engineer that's taking care of your stuff, right? So if you break it down, you break down some $20-something an hour, and you're gonna have state-of-the-art equipment right at your fingertips and a lot of stuff to help you. And you can also generate a little video and all that stuff when you're going through the whole 9 yards. So if you do to the Pro thing now, and the Pro is going to be geared towards like production company, right? So there'll be more than what you see right here. They have a production company, we have a royalty board, music distribution, right? You have the Dark World agent team working with you, right? See? And even priority booking. So that's a lot. So, but when you go up to a more higher, right, level, okay, then you talk to us and tell us what you need, and then we make that available. And when you reach that level to make things available, let me give you a sample. Let me see if we can find it. So then you'll be getting something like this. You'll be getting a desktop, and the desktop is filled with all the stuff you can see right here that your company would need. And I thought about, we'll find a way to include in the office the Luna office in here, so you can load in the office here. So this will be just like your one-stop music agency with everything in there, your office and everything, right down. I mean, distribution. I mean, think about it. I got a surprise for you guys, for the musician them. And I'm a musician, so we are taking care. We're gonna take care of the musician them, right? But remember, we pay for service, and what we pay for service and thing. And I skipped over here. So you see, we have advanced security. And we don't Skype on things around here. You know what I mean? And to try to show people our company, it's being built as a top-notch, solid, secure company. You know what I mean? And when I mean solid and secure, we got, let me see if I can try to locate that. Here it is, another security. Oh, the other day I went and created my wallet. See, this is my wallet right here, my digital wallet. We ain't got nothing inside that yet, because I'm just testing it, but it's there officially. When everything start running, you can come by and have your own digital wallet over here. We'll be hooking up the Bitcoin thing. You can buy Bitcoin and a bunch of things. So those are other stuff, right? Okay, so we'll move from the security stuff. So we'll talk about our Prime TV, which, like we talk about, is like a smart TV. So we're going to come back again, and I'm going to do some other pages, non-aligned pages, that you can still see other service that is in the SMTVS.com. Might not be talking about the video or other stuff, but it's other service that you should know that exists in the system. Okay, so our Prime TV, as we referred to the partnership page a few minutes ago, said that's the only way you can have a channel here, right? So even the set way and business to business and everything, right? Once I go, and I have to go, most likely go buying some partnership too. That's like how I'm off in partnership, so we can have real partnership with real companies in that level. You know what I deal with. So you will come here, and it is my vision that our smart TV platform on the internet, you can get Google Prime TV, and you go get Amazon Prime that you can buy from here, their thing. And when you hit that, you will see the Amazon bring up their pages and what they got free, what it plays in our site. You see what Google pay, but it plays in our site. But then you can buy it from them, and then whether HBO or Cinemax or wherever, sport channel we be doing deals with, channel will be available inside the page because they will be a partner. It is still a win situation for them once we're going to build up our member to a certain amount, that it may not be now that you come to the site that you see all those people I'm talking about, but we are working on building up our membership and have a strong membership. And hey, we probably don't have to think about asking them, they're going to want to come. So you have to do business like a real business. So the idea that it's not an idea, we'll start getting SMTVS stuff, and we'll research and find channels that just aching to just be a partner with a big thing. Anyways, let's talk about what we offer users. Since a user cannot come here and just randomly place a channel, right? Okay. So we have Creator TV. And you guys, Creator TV is free for creator, video creators. And if you even not a video creator, but you decide you want to become a video creator, you can join too. Okay? Now, when you come in SMTVS.com, like I said, you just sign up to the network, and let's start talking about stuff that need to be on the side menu. So we should have our community on the side menu, although it's not the right community page, and we should have our Prime TV there, and then we should have also this there. So when you come to the site, you visually see these links. That should be above here. That's not really here now. So we'll talk to the agent on how to arrange the menu in the right thing. It is a good idea for your links that are your brand to be visible as the client or the surfer in the site come, right? That's a good practice of business. Now, when you come to this page and you just, for the first time, you can create a channel. And when you have your channel done, it's going to be white. We're definitely going to do white to match the thing. And it's all your stuff that you load up here, you can edit. It's a light editor, what we call a light video editor. Of course, we got a professional video editor that if you decided you wanted to use, then it's a subscription thing that And how we really do it is like, you just have to really buy it because it's got a lot of AI tools and a lot of stuff that help enhance your video. So that's where you start paying SMTVS something in the Creator TV area. About how people see stuff for the Creator TV, well, we have a media browser that people may search in the site on the media browser. But different from the media browser, we have the smart playlist system that's connected to that too. And different from that, you yourself now as the having your channel and stuff, this will be your page where you get to upload your stuff, right? So as we try to just give you just this segment right here of what's going on with SMTVS and the system itself, what we are trying. So you come SMTVS and you want to really, we have everything here, right? And as you come down, right here, you can do this. And then right here, you can definitely surf to all these areas, right? And see what's going on, right? And may change somewhat by adding or taking away or rearranging. But what we are saying that for visibility, that we need to have this site here, the music agency, right? Here on the list, right? We need to have this here also on the side on the list. And that's already there. And we need to have this also on the side of the list, right? And we need to have this guy here on the side of the list. See, and those are the main thing that should be up on the side of the list. So that's where we're going to start. So when you guys come in, you can definitely serve to hear and see what's going on with this immediately. You can come here and see what's going on with our entertainment, right? Okay. And we'll come back and talk about the entertainment and what's attached to the entertainment. So you guys, this is part 1. So stay tuned for part 2.